Hello YouTube, welcome to Motomail with Dolly. Today is a little bit different episode. We got the camera on Dolly, camera on me. I'm not going to be actually opening the letters. I'm actually just going to talk about it here while I play with Dolly. Hope everybody's doing well. So the first piece of mail I got was from Goofy Bastard. I'll put a picture of his stickers up there. Currently, he's at 221 subscribers. Great channel, great content. He just did a video on the Duluth fleece lined pants, which was pretty cool. He has some awesome stickers, sent me a poker chip, and Dolly is loving the snow. Dolly, sit, stay. All right. So go over, and if you haven't subscribed to Goofy Bastard, go check him out. Oh, you didn't stay. All right, stay. Dolly, stay, sit, stay, stay, stay. Which leads me, oh, Dolly. Dolly, you ready? Go get it, go get it. Ooh, look at her go. Which leads me to Mr. Mcstache. He also sent me a couple of things, which I have to say thank you so much, Mr. Mcstache. Unfortunately, I don't think your poker chip made it. I'll put a picture of what was there up here. The U.S. mail, there was a slit in the envelope, the wooden nickels there, the mustaches, stuff like that. He's got a great channel, and I think Goofy Bastard just won his giveaway with baby Mcstache on there helping him out doing the giveaway. Go check that out, pretty cool. Dolly, 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 sit, sit, stay, stay, Dolly, stay. Stay. Here we go. You ready? Oh! All right. And then the third piece of mail I got was from NVA Rider. He's at 211 subs. Go over. He's got a great channel too. And I'm glad to see I'm not the only one with all this miserable snow. The last video I saw from him, they were shoveling the driveway. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go down south. Right, Dolly? You wanna go south too? Dolly loves the snow. Look at her go, wearing her GoPro. All right, so he sent me some stickers and a chip. Thank you very much, NVA Rider. Next up, I have Blackphoenix Entertainment. Currently at 664 subs, just getting off, starting his season 2. So season 1 was pretty awesome. Go over, check out his season 2, give him a subscribe. Sent over some stickers. Appreciate that. Appreciate the sticker swap, the channel support. Dolly is loving it out here. Me, not so much. And the last one today I got was a sticker from Harley Gurl. Go over, check her out, give her a sub. Currently 243 subscribers. Sent me over some stickers and spam card. I'll put it up there, you can see it. She currently did a video on her Advent Black lowers for her Street Glide. Can't wait to see that video of the install and the finished product. Thank you for supporting my channel. Bring it back. Everybody wants to see you catch that. I know the snow is making it difficult. Come here. Come on. Come on, Dolly. Come on, I got a treat. You want a treat? Here. Treats. Treats. Oh, yeah, you like treats. All right. Let me fix your camera. All right, now sit. Dolly. Come here. Sit. You want a treat? Sit. Stay. Come here. Come here, Dolly. Here. All right, camera's fixed. Sit. Sit. Dolly. Sit. I know you don't want to get your butt cold. Sit. Stay. 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 Here you go. Oh yeah. Woohoo. That's my Dolly. All right, so I'm gonna go in, put these stickers on the wall. I'm gonna show you guys the walls when it's done. The poker chips I gotta put in my holder. I still gotta get a frame for that, but I'm definitely working on it. And I want to say thank you very much, everybody. I'll see you in the garage. All right, so here we are out at the sticker wall. Hope everybody's enjoying this episode of Motomail with Dolly. Mixing it up, doing it a little different today. But here we are. I want to say thank you, Mr. Mcstache, for sending all the goodies and the little mustache seeds and everything. Really appreciate it. Sorry that the poker chip got lost in the mail. You did a great thing. The giveaway was awesome. Baby Mcstache did a great job with that giveaway. The other shout out is Harley Gurl. Thank you for the stickers and the sticker swap. Looking forward to seeing you do your lowers on your street glide. So I'm going to be checking that out. Blackphoenix Entertainment, thank you very much. Season 2 starting. Go check them out, guys. Season 1 was great. Who else do we have? NVA Rider. Thank you for sending me the stickers and the poker chip. Really appreciate it. And your last video made me feel a lot better that I'm not the only one being miserable with all of this snow and not being able to ride. Goofy Bastard, thank you very much for the stickers and the poker chip. Really appreciate it. You got a great channel going. And if I think about it, I'm going to get you the name of the rub rash cream that I use so you don't have to worry about with those fleece lined pants. All right, guys. So until next time, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.